Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am so excited. We are doing a Mammy Satin collab today. Okay, so pull up, get your happy hour on with me and Beauty with Jeunie B. This beautiful woman is so fantastic. I've been watching her. She just actually recently came back to YouTube, so make sure y'all are showing her love, okay? I am so excited to collaborate with her. She is absolutely positively stunning. Okay, and she comes through beat down. Okay, that was my Angela Bassett quiver. I'm working on it. But yeah, she is beat down and she's always laying wigs. So make sure you go check her out. We are doing big sexy hair today and I'm so excited for you guys to get into it. Hey my loves, we are back with another one. Okay, so I am here with a big, beautiful hair, okay? For a spring spiral unit from the Outre. All right, guys, so I'm back with this big, beautiful hair unit. You guys typically love when I do textured hair, so I'm actually really excited about this. And this is the 4A spring spiral. Oh, sorry, guys. And we're just going to look at her fresh out the pack. Okay, let's get, ooh, okay, so it's just lace, it's lace parting and ear to ear lace. I think I'm kind of here for that. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Let me just take this off right quick. Okay, sexual chocolate. Now listen, y'all. We're going to get her together. Okay? So this is her fresh out the pack. She's giving very much Randy Watson. I said Randy Watson before, but I mean Randy Watson today. That's what I mean. So, yeah. Let's get into her and see what we can do to zhuzh her up. All right, my loves, let's just come on through and get into this Outre big, beautiful hair spring spiral unit. Now, I'm just going through and just pulling this hair on out. I just want to make sure that I get a better idea of what it's looking like. I'm going through and plucking apart because it just was a little bit, the hairs kind of bleeded into the part, which is not a big deal, but I wanted to have a more defined look. So I'm just going through and just pulling some hairs out of there. This unit feels wonderful. She's super lightweight, which I was really surprised about, but she feels nice. She doesn't feel like over processed hair. And that part of it I really, really like, because I feel like sometimes when you get textured units, they feel like over processed hair, and that is just not okay. So I'm just going through and just lining my face. I just wanted to give it more of a shape because I have a small head and big features. This unit is just so stunning. I'm just going through and pulling out some hair along the perimeter. I just wanted to look as natural as possible. You ever look at like when people get crocheted hair and it's like you can see those knots and everything like that? We don't want that here at all. We want it to look straight up out the skizzle, okay? Now I'm going to go through as well along the perimeter with my contour palette because I just want to darken her up, and just in case the wind blow back, we don't want no problems, okay? We want her to look super good. I again am pulling out the curls just a bit, not every single one, just a few across the unit, because I just wanted to give it a nice, like textured, a lot more textured style. And I really do love these spring spiral curls. They bounce right back and it's just so beautiful. I love this big hair. I just really feel like I'm doing something here, okay? Like I had to come through with bamboo earrings, 37 Mr. T necklaces, and all the bracelets and bangles. And I feel like she really deserved all that love, sex, and magic. So I did not receive any shedding when I was pulling this hair out. Even after like cutting it a little bit, I didn't receive any issues. And this unit is very big head friendly. So y'all need to check it out. Let me tell y'all something. Where am I going? Where am I going? This is cute. This is super stinking cute. Okay, am I trying to be seen? I think so. I'm coming through. Are you guys into her? Look at that. She is a vibe, and she's big. And believe it or not, this is a lot of hair, but she's super light. Like, this is lightweight. Now, the cap is big head friendly, which is nice because I feel like if I move too fast, I'm going to come up out of her. But I'm going to turn around for you guys so you guys get a good look. Am I giving y'all big wheels keep on turning? Listen, I feel like this unit is fire. It's definitely, I'm gonna tell you what I love about this. The texture of the hair is soft, and that's a big deal because I've been realizing we've been getting these like natural texture units, and the hair is like it's crunching much, and we only want that with our pretzels and peanuts. So Outre really came through with that. I really do like this unit. And again, this is the 4A spiral. She's going for just under $30 on most wig sites. We're going to call her Big Sexy. She is big and sexy. My man love when I wear big hair like this. She is big and sexy. Bust up on her. You see that? You can't tell me that ain't mine. I done trained this hair. Let me tell y'all something. This is fire. I feel like, first of all, some hair makes you feel like a star, okay? You know what I mean? Like, I feel that way right now. I feel like a star. Like, oh, who that? Who that? Did you see her come through? Who that? That's how I feel right now in this hair. And I really do love her. If you're looking for something fun, definitely check out this collection. It is so fire. Look at that. And I did thin her out just a bit. I just wanted a little bit of body. It just seemed like a lot of hair right here. But I think she's stunning. Look at those curls, guys. Look at those curls. And I didn't want to pull her out too much. But what I think is going to be great about this unit is that as she gets older, she's going to look, it's just going to get more natural and more natural and more natural looking. And I think that's fire. Like, that's all you need. You don't need a lot. Like, you just need a wig that look like your hair. Like, who knew? That's a concept. But I'm here for her. This is a cute little crochet situation we giving. Get into her. So I know the hair is super big right now, but what we're going to do, we're just going to add a lot of body, okay, to this hair just to bring her down a bit because she's got a lot of volume and she's beautiful, but I know she got more to give to us than this. I'm just going to run my fingers through it all the way down to the ends because we just want to not flatten her out, but just give a different look. Don't want to like run your fingers through, but just pull the curls out. Pull them out. All right. And there you go, guys. I really do love this hair. She's super light. I actually just went out in his hair, like literally just 2 seconds ago. And it was all blowing in the wind, looking all good or whatever. This hair is so stunning. It's not even funny. It's stunning. Are you into it? I am so excited to have had collaborated with the beautiful Miss Jeunie B. Check my baby out, okay? Go to her channel, say Zar sent you, okay? And if you're coming from her channel, welcome. Subscribe, but welcome. And I hope to see you beautiful mugs later.